told you, I believe yesterday, I explained how to use the indicator, which is the demand supply indicator that comes with alert. Now, the alert system is to tell you when the market gets to a zone. It's you that make decision. Did you get the point? Now, what did I mean by it's you that make decision? If you buy the EA is the one that is going to wait for confirmation before you take trade. But if it is you, if it is indicator that you purchase, you're going to be the one to execute trade by yourself. Nobody is going to do it for you. So if the market gets to a particular zone, you are just being alerted. For instance, if the market gets to the midpoint here, this line, it's going to actually tell us that the market has gotten to the midpoint. That's why we have it as the equidistance. So it is like the equilibrium value between the up and the down. So if you calculate from here to here and from here to here, they are going to be the same thing, like the equal distance of the demand and the supply. So, and it will alert you, you get to know. Now, the beauty of this is it will help you not necessarily to sit on the chart and be able to actually get push notification directly when the market gets to a particular zone. Now, some people have asked me, how will I use it? Even after I've explained in the video. If the market gets to the supply is when you are looking forward to sell. You are not going to sell in the midpoint. You are not going to buy in the mid-level. For instance, I bought, what do you call it now? Step index 500 at the mid-level. Of course, the market is going up, but it has been like dancing around my entry level since. You can see I put my take profit here at this first level, though the market is going to get to 7-0, which we can actually all agree on that. If you disagree, well, we see the market. All of us will see the market. But now, the beauty of it is that even if the market reacts in this zone, it won't be the fault of the store. It will be my fault in the sense that how will I make entry here when the market started moving from here and I'm going here or here? The take profit level does not worth it again. However, I just took that trade because I know the market is going to go up and I did not take the trade earlier before, and it's also even on the demo account, so that I can just update the people on my platform because I've been busy. I've not been able to be. I have to record that video that I did the other time, and I have to rest after recording the video. So I believe that's why I missed it. But this is boom 1000. Of course, I made a mistake on this boom. When I actually gave the trade, because of the video recording also yesterday, the boom, I didn't give for yesterday, I don't know. But there was a reason that I gave the trade when the market has came all the way here. I did not wait for the market to push up, and I give them the stop loss around this region, which first of all stopped them out before the market play out. But anybody who understood with what I've explained would have taken trade any moment from here when the market first of all come all the way down here and tested up to sweep liquidity. Then now, if you don't take that trade, you will actually pen your trade here so that you have something like head and shoulder, and the market make its way to that point. Establish any trade that was penned here based on the high of the candles, not the wicks. Remember, this is just price action information. Okay? So you take pen an order at the head of the body of the candle, not wicks. Wicks are not really to be considered when you are penning an order. So the trade would have activated your order, this particular one that just penned up, would have activated your order, and you would have been in trade since that moment. So it was after the market took us out in few trade, and I know surely the market would drop, so I enter trades again, and the market started dropping. Now you can see the results on the 0.2 of the 1000. You can see what it has delivered: $90 and $84, and it's still going all the way down. In 1000, it's going all the way down. Now, this is the beauty. You can see I entered early now. I can start exiting my trade from here at 20 around 150, which is going to be a massive result. That will be around $130, because if you calculate 8 to 1 something 150, it will be 650. That will be $130. So it's going to be at least $130 with a risk of less than $30, because with pending another year, you would have set your stop loss here, which is $20. And the first take profit is 130. That's 1 to 6.5, which you want. For first take profit, which is the mid level between here and here. So now you can see also the step index is also advancing up. Just like I said, I know the market will advance up. I just know that it was just a wrong entry point because the market has delivered over $200 by make entry at all, which has actually increased the risk. That's just the only thing that not that the market may not have. Now, you can put it on any other instrument of your choice. You will see that the same thing will happen with the mark levels. You can see, boom, the market make its way up, came down, it tested the zone, then finally its way down. The same thing with this now. It make its way up, it tested the zone, then find its way up. This is what we happen over and over and over again that makes anyone profitable. Now, this is GBP USD that you can use it also on. See the market make its way up, move back, tested, so this one go higher, but eventually came back for entry. Then you can make the entry and make money. Now, you may be asking now, so how will I know that I'm not going to buy here and not sell? Of course, you will not have naturally buy because it's not going to turn this red to green. That's one thing that you must understand that makes this thing beautiful. And you say, but it means I will miss opportunities. Yes, of course. Of some trade that you never plan, you are planning to sell before market should really buy. Should you just jump in and just buy? If your conditions were not met, so you just say relax, wait the market go up and return back. Give you opportunity to sell, you sell. When you give you opportunity to buy, then you make your money. So that's the beauty of trading. Not just about just deciding to just enter trade anytime. It's about taking trade at the right time and making sure the trade worth it. Now, for the indicator is available, it's $50. For the here is available, it's $100. But the beauty is that if you purchase either here or indicator, you'll be added to a platform. Okay, this is the alert. You can see the supply has been, the market has reached. Let's zoom this out so that we can get all the information. So you can see now, for boom 500, the market has reached a zone. So let's go to boom 500. Exactly. Voila. Market has reached a zone that was a demand, a supply zone at that particular level that market can sell from. So anybody that has been taking trade must have known and make decision based on that. Did you get it now? Now, having said that, so you can use on any other instrument. And I said you will be added to the platform where I give signals that will make even your investment back in less than a week. Of course, I promise them that I will be giving them up to $200 trade, both synthetic and normal forex and other instruments. But because I was putting the system up, I was unable to actually deliver to them last week, which I already updated them as I was having those things that I was doing. I was telling them, like, make promise. So you can be part of them this week since nothing is stopping us. The system is active, everything is set. It's just pure work. You can also bring your account for management from $200 upward. Your fund is secure if it is from $500. Now, what I mean by secure in the sense is that you have guarantee that if things go bad on your account, you fund at least 50% of your account back. I may not fund exactly 50%, but will give your account back 200%. That is guaranteed if it is from $500 upward. But if your account is $200, we'll also be careful. We'll ensure that we don't use your fund and we'll trade it off and make profit for you. Now, in a week, you're targeting that on your account, you take it to 1,000%. That's 10x of your account. So if you give us the $500, you take it to 5,000. Give us $1,000 to take it to $10,000, and it comes with a $50 subscription fee. But that is something that you are going to benefit and enjoy for if you participate in any of that. Remember, by the year, you actually be added to the group or the indicator or do account management trade for you and build it up, and at the end you get the benefit and the enjoyment of working with us. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.